Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to promote your business. First thing, let's launch the Pinterest app. When you actually have the feed logged in, you want to go on your own profile, you want to click on your profile picture, and then you want to click on the top left corner where you see the small three bars. This is where you're going to find all the analytics of your account. We're going to go to analytics and we're going to click on the top right corner where you see additional settings. You want to click on this additional settings and then you want to learn how people interact and find your content, how they find the pictures of your products or services, how they find the links, and how they actually go about it. This is very important because you will be able to craft the perfect content for them. As you can see over here, if you simply break down to the usage of the if you simply look at over here, we have a breakdown of people using desktop, mobile, or tablet. This is very important because in this way you will be able essentially to see from where your content is actually coming from. If you have majority of the people using a desktop version, well, you probably know that the images that you're going to create should be much more picture oriented than text oriented, right? If you see that majority of the people are actually coming from the tablet version, well, you might actually change a different strategy. As you can see over here, the engagement and the total audience is changing dramatically. So first thing, you need to optimize by learning what type of devices are people using to look at your product or service, right? This is very important. Second thing you want to focus, of course, is to see the source. Is the traffic coming from your own content? Will people actually discover your page, your product, your offer, and then come and check your other products or services? Or there is someone else who is publishing, who is your competitor most likely, posting maybe better pictures, maybe they have better offers, maybe more professional editing. And this is what actually drives your traffic. So if you click on source, first thing option is to click on your pins. You click down, and then you could see this is the source. This is where all the things are coming from. As you can see, this is all coming from our own content. We don't have anyone that is publishing. But if you change this setting and if you go back down again, you want to see, are there other pins that are bringing traffic to our page? No. This is very good. This means that at this point there is no similar content on the platform. And of course, don't get too excited. This also could mean that the market or the people who are interested in this product, service, or niche are not yet here, or they're very, very small amount of the actual flow. You want to make sure that you're on top of all this information. Now, when you know that you're the only one here, you're the one that should reinvent the wheel. You're the one who should actually find things that other people are not offering, because the demand usually is there. If you simply come over here on the feed, right, you click on the magnifying glass, and for example, let's look at this particular feed. This is only watches. We have everything is segmented by luxury brands such as Omega. You have cheaper brands such as Seiko, right? And if you click on the top right corner, right, you want to make sure that you have personalized recommendations based on what interest, sports, following. But we don't want to just look around the content. We want to find an actual products, right? So if you come over here, right, for example, if we type, let's say, watches for men, right? We don't want to just watch a piece of content from other people who are passionate about it. We want to click on the top left corner where you see the small settings bar, right? And we want to click and pre-select actual products. This will only give us the products and what people are selling, what pricing they're putting, and where is the traffic actually going through. As you can see, official Rolex store over here, official Longines store, official Tag Heuer store, right? All these are official stores, Breitling. Obviously, these people are running ads over here. But the main idea is that you want to see not the big guys. You want to see the little guy who is competing, right? Also, we're seeing here Chrono 24, also big brand. You want to see some of these more. For example, we have Target over here also running ads. So over here we have an Etsy seller. So over here what they're selling, if you look at the description of the product, right, they're offering a case for 7 pieces of watches. I've seen a lot of people are actually utilizing the SEO on Pinterest. As you can see, there is a large description. Don't forget that there is much better for you to utilize a third-party platform, considering that the platform already has traffic. For example, if you use your own website, you simply don't have a free, in my opinion, free traffic. You don't have like tons of people coming on the platform. While if using some of these other platforms, I'm not sponsoring or promoting any of these platforms, but if you think why people are going and selling on Amazon, because the traffic is already there. If someone wants to buy something, especially today on Christmas, right? Any other store is closed, they're gonna go online and they're gonna go on Amazon. They're gonna go probably on Etsy, or they're gonna go on Fiverr if they need something provided as a service, right? So these websites are good, and this is why they're charging you a fee, right? Sometimes to list your listing, sometimes when you sell, processing fees, because they simply bring or create the market. This is very, very important. So as you saw over here, guys, there is a major difference between people who are actually selling through their own website, people who are selling through the third-party website and hosting, and how people are actually offering their products. There is a major difference between the SEO, the pictures, and the way how the information is presented. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.